Do your left? Do your left one? Right? Shit, hit any one. You change it or whatever. Fast forward that little next button. Again. Again. Hit it again. Yo. Yeah. That's what it was.
Oh, let me get that up there right there.
Because you still need this glass to be able to open, don't you?
Not really. No, not really. No, I don't.
Okay. I forgot all about that shit.
What? No, I don't.
Yeah, I gotta fix that suction thing back on.
No,
I ain't even count for the glass.
I ain't much even got to have that. I ain't even got to have that up.
Okay. Yeah, I forgot all about spacing this wire out, which I can. I got enough wire.
You straight? That's straight.
Yeah. Main wire to the front is here. It goes to the signal. As you can see. Yeah. Got your supply. The wires out. Coming in. You know what I'm saying? You got your main power off, power on.